To remove an existing panel in an office, building, or standalone wall partition, start by pulling back the flexible flap on the vinyl base and removing the screws. Once the vinyl base is removed, one can use tin snips to cut the steel floor track and bend it out. A rubber mallet can make this job easier. Next, remove the face panels on the OmniFlex stud system to expose the fasteners. Extract the screws connecting the two parts of the OmniFlex stud. With the screws removed from both the left and right sides of the panel and the floor track folded back, one can pull one half of the stud out from the bottom and then remove the panel. The other sides of the stud posts remain intact to support the existing wall and roof deck. The new panel can be easily integrated back into the wall. Once it is out in place, one can simply screw the studs back together, install the faceplates, fold back up the steel floor track, and reapply the vinyl base to return the wall, office, or building to its original appearance. For more information, please visit us at PortaFab.com.